Another property for sale. This is 1 hectare for 1.5 million pesos. It's a portion, guys. Actually, the size is 3 hectares and the owner will just sell a portion of 1 hectare. It's a titled property. Hindi ko pa nakita yung titulo, but according to our guide or the brother of the owner is it's for sale 1 hectare. So it has coconut, banana, and other fruit trees. So maganda dito, guys. Affordable. Just only 1.5 million pesos. Then it's a titled property. Still located in Barangay Mahagbo, Trinidad, Bohol. It's boundary of Trinidad, Ubay, and San Miguel. Medyo malayo na siya, pero maganda naman kasi may sariling kalsada. So wala problema. So kung gusto tayong tumira ng probinsya, lalo na sa Bohol, sa Trinidad or Ubay, so nandito tayo. May mga maraming for sale tayo na property. It's very affordable. So maganda. It has dwarf coconut trees and other assorted trees. Or there is also a jackfruit. So really nice. There's also rice field. So dito, guys, sa likod ng bahay lang tayo kukuha kasi may bahay sa front at si owner magbigay ng road right around 5 meters wide papunta sa property na binibenta dito. So maganda na to. It's 1.5 million pesos only. Regarding the water, there are deep wells in the area, no? May mga deep well naman. Wala talagang problema regarding to the water. Neighborhood, may mga neighborhood din kasi parang sa atin naman medyo matakot tayo kasi walang neighbor. May maraming neighbor dyan, guys. May maraming neighbor. So wala talagang problema yung mga property. So see, ito po yung bahay ng may-ari. Pinabinta ang portion for 1.5 million pesos. So very affordable. Again, magkapitbahay lang yung 2.2 hectares natin at saka ito. So maganda ang location. See, Barangay Road. It's along Barangay Road. So, transportation, you need to have your own car, motorcycle, kadalasan naman. So, magdala talaga tayong sarili nating sasakyan. Signal, internet, meron naman. Wala nang problema. So, all we need is our own transportation. Sarili nating sasakyan. So, very nice yung property. Ito po yung dinaanan natin. Makita natin yung mga bahay. So, may mga foreigner na din na tumira dyan. So, maganda dito. Fresh air. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. Again, thank you very much and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.